For over a century, Rolls-Royce has pursued the dream of creating the ultimate luxury car. Today, I will share Rolls-Royce Spectre EV quick drive overview, silence and comfort, electric evolution, driving experience, pricing and trims, and final thoughts. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. So, let's enjoy. For 120 years, Rolls-Royce has been chasing a dream. Charles Rolls and Sir Henry Royce set out to build the best car in the world, one as silent as its shadow that would run smoother and quieter than any other. Finally, after all this time, the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre EV is the ultimate expression of that goal. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre EV is the culmination of that vision, blending elegance with cutting-edge technology. In the early 1900s, cars were noisy and rough. Rolls-Royce aimed to change that by engineering vehicles that offered unparalleled smoothness and silence. The Spectre EV embodies this legacy, providing a serene driving experience that feels like gliding on air. The Spectre marks Rolls-Royce's entry into the electric vehicle era. With a range of up to 291 miles and rapid charging capabilities, it combines luxury with modern efficiency. The Spectre can travel between 264 and 291 miles on a charge, depending on wheel size. It charges from 10 to 80% in 34 minutes at up to 195 kilowatts. Its dual motors give it all-wheel drive and produce 584 GP and 664 lb-ft, enough to waltz it to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, which must make it one of the quickest Rolls ever built. Its dual motors deliver 584 horsepower, ensuring a powerful yet graceful ride. Driving the Spectre is an experience like no other. It accelerates smoothly, never jolting passengers, and offers one-pedal driving for effortless stops. Despite its size, it handles with surprising agility, maintaining the brand's signature ride quality. The grander show of starlight in the headliner continues to captivate passengers, at least, and we do mean passengers, plural. Yes, this pillarless coupe is a four-seater in more than name, with enough space for taller adults to ride in the rear on moderately long drives. While this is the Rolls-Royce to drive, being driven in it isn't much of a penalty. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre EV is a testament to the brand's commitment to luxury and innovation. Good things, it's often said, are worth waiting for. In truth, had an electric Rolls-Royce come with deeper battery technology concessions any less than state-of-the-art, it wouldn't have been able to fulfill the company's entire mission brief, even if it was built in the recent past. The Spectre does, and in doing so, it finally achieves the aim set by its founders more than a century ago. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.